Are you in the food industry and looking for an ERP solution that is truly tailored to your needs? Look no further. Welcome to Bricklead. With our food extension packs, we provide an ERP solution dedicated to the food industry. Starting at just €28 a month, enrich Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central with features specially designed for the food industry, such as advanced pricing, delivery tracking, product compliance, quality assurance, process automation, and more. With Bricklead, you can build an augmented solution according to your specific food market needs. Using Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central as your core, add essential features like accounting management, dimension rules, and more. Trading features, tailor Microsoft 365 Business Central to your food trading needs with advanced pricing management features. Food features, increase your impact with a solution uniquely adapted to the traceability, compliance, hygiene, and safety requirements of the food industry. What's more, you can optimize your food market processes with smooth planning, schedules, and cost control for production orders. Looking for a partner specializing in the food and beverage market? With Bricklead, you're in good hands. With 40 years' experience, an in-house team of industry experts, and our recent acquisition of Primus Software, a wine market specialist, we have the tools you need to achieve success. We've already gained the trust of a wide range of food and beverage companies. Find out more about Bricklead on our website. Thank you.